just that you know, I never saw something like that. So you actually can bike and make a smoothie. So all the people who really like healthy life, they can actually get the bike where you put the smoothie maker on, and through that wheel you can actually make a smoothie. So, and that's lovely French lady. She will prepare all the fruit for me, and then I will make a smoothie for myself on the beach of Dunkirk, France. Amazing, huh? What you can do on the bike. Not just that you transport it, everything with it, but you can do a lot of other things. So even smoothie. So la smoothie-cycling. It's called like this, smoothie-cycling. And the lady will put the smoothie on like this, and then she will take this. That's alright, don't worry. Just take your time, and you can just record me if you. It's already working, so you just find me, and I will do the business. Yes?
Yes.
Merci beaucoup.
De rien.
Thank you very much. Merci beaucoup to everyone.